What is up, everybody? I'm back with yet another video with a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. I have recently picked up this pochette or pouch and I wanted to share it with you, do a little unboxing and what fits. So here we go. I apologize for the head today, but the Corona haircut is in full effect. Need to do one soon, but all the hair salons are closed, so I just covered my haircut with the head, so I hope you don't mind. Here is the now already standard orange Louis Vuitton box. The dish pochette Discovery came in. Inside I have the dust bag, the ribbon, and the invoice. Everything comes with. So, without making this really a long video, let's breeze to it. So I'm gonna show you the pochette and then I'm gonna do a little what fits so you can see what you could put in it. Mine is not the canvas one, but I got myself the beautiful Shadow Monogram, which is a full leather piece, as you can see here. The hardware is black, which I love on this piece. I do a 360 there. So it has a nice little D-ring here in black, and as I said, also the zipper is in black because all the hardware is blacked out. It has a nice little piece of leather trim. Oops, sorry about that, guys. A leather trim on the top. Let me check if it says, yes, it says Louis Vuitton Paris here on the top. As you can see here, if I close it up. And once you have opened the zipper, inside you have one slip pocket on this side. Here is my tag. And another big pocket on the front side. Nothing else inside of here. I have got this as I want to use it as my pouch for carrying my laptop. Although I was a bit scared that it's not gonna fit in there, but luckily enough it does, and I'm gonna demonstrate this now. So, I seen a video of a person doing this Discovery Pochette in, I think it was Damier Graphite one, or Monogram Eclipse, I'm not sure, I think Damier Graphite. And he said that his MacBook 13 does not fit inside of it. So I was a bit skeptical at the first, but I went ahead and get it. And luckily enough, my MacBook Air 13 2020, so before the Apple chip one, which I guess is the same dimension, fits. So I'm gonna show you that. So here's my MacBook Air 13. Here's the pochette. And voila, very simple. I can easily zip it. There. I think it's a very elegant solution. You can put inside also, let's say, a card wallet or something like that. But I wouldn't put the, let's say, the charger inside of this, because this would just bulk out and would probably damage the pochette. So the computer on its own is okay, and in this setup I would use it to take it, let's say, from a conference to conference, to meeting room to meeting room, but I wouldn't, let's say, use it as a travel piece, because the computer is quite heavy and it's sharp edged, so I don't think that would be the best idea. But as an elegant solution for going from a meeting room to meeting room, or for a, let's say, a meeting with a client, is a very nice one. So I would highly recommend it. And this Monogram Shadow leather is just absolutely gorgeous, very subtle to the touch, but I'm sure also not as resilient as the canvas is, so you probably need to be much more careful if you have this piece. That said, it's absolutely gorgeous, and for what I plan to use it, it's gonna come in handy. So the dimensions, if I remember, were 36 by 25 on the website, and I'll put them in the description. And of course, as always, guys, if you have any kind of questions, comments, leave them below and I will come back to you. I hope you have enjoyed this little unboxing. Let me remind you, I also have this pochette in Monogram Eclipse in the size PM, which is quite a smaller pouch, is more of a wallet. And this one, as you can see, is pretty big. I would use this inside of my bag or just as a standalone piece to, as I said, carry from a meeting room to a meeting room. But this, at the current situation is not that important. Hopefully we will return to normal soon and I will be able to utilize it the way I have intended to utilize it. Okay guys, as said, I want to keep this video short. And as always, if you have any questions, come back to me and I'll sure to answer them. I hope you're keeping safe and all is good. Kind regards and I'll see you in my next video. Much love. See you. Bye guys.